workshop, we'll start with viewing the Ian Gentle retrospective sculpture exhibition, and then we'll be doing some work in relation to responding to Ian's work and to responding to art generally. And I'm excited about it because Ian was a tutor at School of Creative Arts when I was there, and I didn't study visual art, but I have friends who do and who were really influenced by Ian Gentle's tutelage and his mentorship. So he was someone in the milieu and a real character. And I saw there's a companion exhibition at Clifton School of Creative Arts of his work because Ian lived at School of Creative Arts before it opened as a gallery. He lived there for a decade. So if people are thinking about coming to the workshop that I'm doing at the gallery, I encourage them to have a look at the Clifton exhibition as well, because there's also a great video of Ian practicing, of Ian and some of his students on field trips in the bush, of Ian when he lived at Clifton, and you get a real sense of the artist as well as the artwork, which is something I'll be talking about a bit at the workshop.